What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is about this look right here. Yes, this is a holiday get ready with me easy glam look that you can do. I know some of us are still quarantined, but you can still look cute while being on Zoom celebrating with your family during the holidays. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Maybelline Dip Brow in the color dark brown. I use a pomade and a brush, and although I never come up here with my eyebrows already done, I kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of what exactly it is I do. I trace on the bottom, I trace on the top, but I don't necessarily fill in the beginning. Now I'm just going to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J12. I love this concealer. I love the consistency about it. I love how easy it is. And I'm just going to place that all over my lid because I want it to act as a base for my eyeshadow. Listen, you guys, I had a skin breakout about 2-3 months ago where I was using a bunch of products you know, just mixing a bunch of stuff, and I still haven't recovered. So if you guys know of a product that will help get rid of dark spots, by all means, please leave it in a comment below and I will try it out. Right now I'm using African soap, but anyway, let's get back into this concealer. Juvia's Place. So now that that's done, I'm going to move directly into eyeshadow, and I'm using Juvia's Place again. So when creating a rose gold color eyeshadow look, you kind of want to use colors that are congruent, conjunction, listen, whatever C word you want to put, connected to the rose gold color. So I'm going in with deep pinks, I'm going in with burgundies, I'm going in with brick brown colors, and of course we're going to be using a rose gold color and a light pink color. But right now what I'm doing is just creating the back shadows. So just giving the shadows just a little bit of depth by going in with a dark pink and first laying that brick color. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. And the shadow palette that I'm using is Madagascar. Yes. So now we're going in with a cut crease. And I'm actually cutting my crease with one of my favorite concealers. It's called Kevin O'Quan, or Kevin O'Cru, as I like to call it. It is one of my favorite concealers. It is thick in consistency. A little goes a long way. And when it comes to cutting your crease, precision is the name of the game. You want to have a flat brush and a steady hand when cutting the crease as far as the upper line goes. And then you just want to fill in all of that lid area. Listen, this look is already cute by itself, but listen, we have to add our rose gold color. And continuing cutting our crease, right? So now we're going to go move into the other side, and we're going to do the same thing like we did on the left. We're going to do it on the right, or on the right, what we did on the left. So we're cutting our crease, and then we are shading all of that in, and just making sure that our lines are precise, because what I said, precision is the name of the game. Now what we're going to do is completely fill it in. And listen, this tan color would have been perfect if you want to add like a champagne color on top of that and go, by all means. But we're doing a rose gold look, right? So now I'm going to go on with the rose gold and place that in. Look at there. You see that? So the rose gold color that I used was actually a highlight, a loose highlight from the crayon collection. So if you guys follow Super online, I use that, her brand, to create the rose gold shadow shimmer look, and that's actually a highlighter. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty right now sticks, the concealer sticks, the darkest color. I believe the shade is 400 for all the sticks, but I'm using the contour color, and I'm just going in. And now I'm going in with Danessa Myricks loose powder. Listen, I like to preset before the reset and the reset before the preset. I know what you're thinking, Brittany. What the heck does that mean? So what that means is I like to go in with a loose powder that is around my skin tone and set my foundation, and then go in with a setting powder. Now my favorite setting powder right now, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it's Airspun. And just to let you guys know that your girl will be having an Amazon store coming right to you very, very soon, where you will be able to purchase the brushes, some of the products that I'm using here, because I use a lot of Amazon. And you will be able to put, get the lashes as well as that airspun setting powder that I absolutely love. So moving back into concealer, right? So we're concealing our cheekbones, our jawbones, our hairline, and of course, we're going to do that nose, aren't we, darling? The wig is from Wig Type. It is a synthetic human hair blend. And yeah, all of that will be listed in the description box. Hey, go girl. Hey, hey, hey. I'm so silly. So moving right along, I am now going in with a rounded, long brush, and I'm using the Fenty concealer, again, the darkest shade, and I am contouring my nose. I'm filling in my nostrils because if you want your nostrils to appear smaller, you use the dark color and you just circle it around and on top, not inside. That's nasty. Put it on top and then you circle it around and blend it in, blend it up. So I am now taking that concealer color, the Kevin O'Quan, the proper way, and I am just highlighting my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and blending out with a shader brush that has no color on it, the lines from the Fenty contour stick that I drew down my nose, down the side of my nose. But the highlighter goes directly in the middle, and you can actually take it all the way down to your Cupid's bow, towards your mouth. Now, it's lash time, it's lash time, it's lash time, it's lash time. Yes, so I just want to tell you guys that I am not one of those girls that likes a cute little thin wispy lash. I like drama, honey. Give me the drama, give me the va boom. And guess what? These lashes that I have on, they will be in my Amazon store, right for you to purchase. So you guys will be purchasing not only the brushes that I use, the lashes that I use, and the setting powder that I use, all from my Amazon store, which will be coming very, very soon. I love this look. Come on, girl. How you doing? So you know when we start fixing the hair, we know what that means, right? It means we are almost done. Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have thoroughly enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And listen, if you guys have found a product that helps with dark spots, leave it in the comments. Let me know how your holiday looks with as well using the hashtag #HolidayGlam in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you lovely guys and girls later. Later, lovers. Bye.